Hi everyone, welcome to class 10th Maths. Today I am going to discuss linear equations in two variables, pair of linear equations, two variables. Already in the previous video, I introduction part explained. Now I am going to explain example 1. Check graphically whether the pair of linear equations x plus 3y is equal to 6, 2x minus 3y is equal to 12. ఈ ప్రాబ్లమ్ని గ్రాఫ్ ద్వారా ఎలా సాల్వ్ చేయాలో గ్రాఫ్ గీసి మీకు ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను. ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ లిసన్ కేర్ఫుల్లీ. సో example 1, already I did on the paper. You have to listen carefully and observe it. First example 1, check graphically whether the pair of equations is consistent. X plus 3y is equal to 6, 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. This is called the equation 1, this is called equation 2. You have to take the first equation, x plus 3y is equal to 6. X plus 3y is equal to 6. So you remember it, 8th class, y is equal to mx graph, y is equal to mx. Please see, these two are the graphical, you have to use the graphical formulas. This is given equation, x plus 3y is equal to 6, 3y is equal to, take the x right side, 6 minus y is equal to 6 minus x by 3. So you have to draw x and y is equal to 6 minus x by 3. Suppose in these values x you gave the 6 0, y will get y is equal to 6 minus 0 by 3, that is equal to 6 by 3. 3 will be cancelled 2 times. So this is the 2. Again next, y is equal to 6 minus, you put 6, 6 minus 6 by 3, 0 by 3, it goes to 0. Okay, this is the first table. Draw in the graph book. X plus 3y is equal to 6. Draw the x. నీట్గా రావడం కోసం రఫ్ వర్క్ చేసుకుని టేబుల్ గ్రాఫ్ షీట్ మీద ఇలా గీసుకోండి. నెక్స్ట్ సెకండ్ ఈక్వేషన్, 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. 2x minus 3y is equal to not 4, this is the 12. I wrote 4. Here 2x minus 3y is equal to 12. Then again 2x, take 12 left side, it becomes minus 12 is equal to 3y. Then you have to write again 3y is equal to 2x plus minus 12. Y is equal to 2x minus 12 by 3. Take like this, put the value in the place of x, 2 into 0 minus 12 by 3, that is equal to minus 12 by 3. 3 will be cancelled 4 times, minus 4. Again you have to, in the place of x you write 3, 2 into 3 minus 12 by 3. 2 3s are 6, 6 minus 12 by 3, that is equal to minus 12, 6 by 3, it cancels minus 2. This one, again you have to write in the graph book, this one like this. It is, the shape is very nicely, and then you have to write scale on x-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. Again scale on y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. Then you have to go to the, write the graph. Scale on, this one is the right like this. Draw the line, x dash, put the numbers on this x-axis, and again you draw the line and y-axis. Then put the, write the numbers, negative numbers and positive numbers here. Then you take the first table, x is equal to 0, then y is equal to 2. This is the 1, 0 and 2. 0 x-axis మీద తీసుకుంటే y-axis మీద minus, 2. Substitute this, say the a 0, 2. Again next 6, 0. x-కి 6 తీసుకుంటే y-axis లో 0 దగ్గర. Join these two lines. The equation intersect at x-axis 6, y. Next again you have to take the second equation, x is equal to 0, then you y-axis minus 4, put the name p, and again 3, take minus 2, this is the minus 2, and join this value. The line x plus 3y is equal to 6 line is cut the, here both are, so intersecting points 6 comma 0, 6 comma 0, these values we have to observe in the textbook examples also. Again this one, so observe the there is the option B 6 comma 0 common to both lines ABPQ. So the solution, the pair of linear equations is x is equal to 6 and y is equal to 0. Then you have to write in book x is equal to 6 and y is equal to 0. This is the solution. గ్రాఫ్ ఎప్పుడు కూడా నీట్గా ఉంటే ఫుల్ మార్క్స్ పడతాయి మీకు. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ వాచింగ్ మై వీడియో. ప్లీజ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ మై ఛానల్ and share with your friends and like it.